This is an agave I pulled in Wilmington, North Carolina last summer. She's opened up about 5 or 6 times actually throughout the winter. She was in a pot. I just put her in the ground and she's already opened up twice in about a month. There's a new one coming in there, pretty cool. We'll see how these get. Right here I got a Windmill Palm. These do really good here, I guess, but it had some rot in one of the fronds there. The side of it was all rotted out, I noticed, but the top of it was really green, which is odd. And then this frond opened up just flawlessly. And then there's 2 more down there. That one's actually starting to open up too. That one actually has a little bit of rot on the side there too. See right there? We'll see how that is. Doesn't seem to affect it, but it definitely seems like it would. But we'll see how those turn out.